The interior of Alaska. We have now left the road, the paved highway. We're on a dirt road. Alaska. Look at the valley below. We are about 4,000 feet. Here I am on Route Highway 8 in Alaska. We have left the pavement about 20 miles ago, even longer. We are on a dirt road in Alaska.